So now let's go with eyes. This is my favorite part, and let's just get started. So I'm going to be taking, since our eyes are going to be blue, I'm going to be taking my my sky blue, and my cerulean blue, and my, this is jade green, cool gray, and I will be coloring my cool gray first. Let me just test it out first. Actually, I have my other color here. So we're going to be using light blue. I have a light blue here that I did not take out. I have a sky blue. Then I have a cerulean blue. For a change of color, I have a turquoise, a teal, and then for my darker darks, I have a blue, and then I have a navy blue. So I'm going to be coloring these based in this kind of order. So let's start off with our light blue. Color very lightly. Let's leave out the highlight here for just a little bit. Let's just draw out the highlight here. Let me zoom in. There. Now what we're going to do is we're going to color everything lightly, light pressure in this blue. So notice how the blue works really well. The blue ink around the eyes works really well, and it's not completely black, so it matches really well. That's why I use these gel pens, the color gel pens, just so it can match better. So here we have our light blues. And then that's it for this light tone. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our sky blue and then just color on top of the light blue here and kind of create a nice little gradient. So layer your colors on top of each other. Same thing with our cerulean blue. We're going to once again overlap, or kind of just overlap color on top. And then we're going to add a little bit of a border, a blue border, using the cerulean blue around the eye. That's just to kind of lock in the colors and make it more vibrant. We're not done yet. Now let's go ahead and add in a turquoise, or I would say a light aqua, or aqua green works good. So let's add aqua green around the pupils just to kind of give it that blue-greenish hue here. Even though it's not noticeable at first, it kind of builds up and it looks a lot better once you start blending them all in. Then we're going to take our turquoise and just keep blending in. So it's starting to look a lot more vibrant now. Now let's go with our dark our teal. These are sort of your darker darks now. And let's go about halfway up to that point. And start to look darker now. Then our blues, which we will color on top just a little bit. And then finally we have our navy blue, which is our darkest dark. And that will be for the dark top here. So as you can see, it starts looking a lot better now. And that is our eyes. So if you want to also add a bit of a shadow underneath, go ahead and take a cool gray and shade in a little bit of the white on top. That will give it a nice that will show a nice bit of value on top of the eyes here, because our eye whites are not completely white. They're a little bit on the grayer side, and have a cast shadow on top. So the eyelid will cast a shadow on top of the whites of the eye, so that's why you shade it a little bit here. And I forgot to add a little bit of lipstick, or a little bit of lip balm on her. So I'm going to be taking a red orange and just lightly applying that on her lips at the bottom. And that'll be good. And if you want, you can add a little bit of white gel pen and add a little bit of shininess on the lips. Same with the cheeks. And that will be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.